Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I'm Leah from Real Food, Real Fitness, Real People, and I wanted to talk about 3 things today. I'm excited because today, Tuesday, it's going to be part of my new routine to go to Trader Joe's at 5 p.m. And walk around with anyone that wants to join me and learn about new food, trying to find organic, non-GMO, minimal processed food while walking around Trader Joe's. I have found so many new favorites there that's helped me. And walking around with my clients, it just changes everything. So your mindset changes. You come home with a shake and something different, a different way of cooking something. And to me, that's huge. That's like the 1%, and it's not even 1%, it's so much more. So tonight, I'm gonna start making that my routine again. I was doing that before COVID, and I was getting groups of, first it was 3, 4, and then it was 6, 7, and it kept growing, and then we weren't in stores very much. So I'm bringing it back. Second, I have been playing around with the idea of going into ketosis and being pH balanced. And you know, part of what I talk about is intermittent fasting, and when you fast, your body goes into ketosis. So for all these years, I kind of just was like blind. Okay, this is what's happening. And it was, you know, and even for my clients, you start to get into that routine of just pushing breakfast off and going from 12 to 8, or if that's not for you, there's a few other options. But what I found in my travels were these strips. And these were originally the ones I got months ago. And I believe one of my friends also got it. We had mixed reviews on it. So I ended up getting 2 more, you know. Basically, these are just a double check on everything. So my plan is that for a few days, I'll see how it works. I'm gonna basically test myself after 16 hours. And, my water's over there. pH water, you know. To me, I'm not going to use it as to how my drinking water, or, you know, my 8 glasses, or how I keep hydrated through the day. But I have noticed that when I drink even a half a bottle of Essentia water or something like that, you know, water with a bit more pH in it, I am in a sweet spot when I use this. So to me, I don't know what the benefits are 100%, but from what I read and understand, you're less sick when your pH is balanced. So to me, it's one of my 30-day challenges coming up for September, and I want to see. I want to, just like when I went plant-based, I want to see how it affects my body and if it makes sense to change it. You know, intermittent fasting, same thing. Clean eating, same thing. You know, I have a friend and I heard it all week from my clients about it's so crazy to think that when you eat something, it affects your body that much. You know, you have a big sandwich, or you have something, and all of a sudden you feel weighed down, you're tired. That's the food we eat. It keeps you either going or it slows you down. So you find the balance of what works for you. The last thing, oh, I gotta go get it. This is the water, by the way, since it's right on my desk. All right. Oh, goodness, what's it called again? Jicama, right? So in my misfit markets, I get sometimes random fruits and veggies. And in my past, well, when my kids were little, I basically would go to the grocery store and be like, what is that weird fruit or veggie over there? And I'd get 1, maybe 2. I come home and I Google how to prepare it. What is it? And is it good for me? That kind of thing, standing there in the supermarket. And I would make it as like a little side thing. Hey, everybody try one of these little things. And everybody would try it, and we'd add different things to our list of foods that we would eat as a family. So this, apparently, I'm going to make into a salad with, let me see what it had. It had a whole bunch of different things, but I have all the ingredients. an orange, lemon, no, lime. I don't know, it should be good. It's supposed to be sweet or sweet-ish. Bell peppers. Of course, I'm gonna make it and taste it and post it. So I wanted to touch base and just mention, if the other thing is local at 5 p.m. at Trader Joe's, but I got such a great response from people online that I have to find a better, clearer way, and I am going to get some help from somebody to kind of get my word across and like be able to go there and do a live video to help others who aren't local. And to me, that's super important. If you're listening and care about the food that you're eating, you know, I want to be able to guide you on inexpensive, good alternatives, you know. So one way or another, I'm going to do something live there, and I'll try to connect it to all these things. And in the meanwhile, I'll try to figure out how to get my voice bigger and better out there in the world. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.